Hi, everybody. I really appreciate all you who've been at this event and those who dropped by, particularly those who shopped and donated to a child's garden's tuition assistance fund. It's been great. The school has raised over $1,000 in this last 10 days, and we still have over 6 hours to go. And who knows, we could double that or more. Uh, Anywho, I'm trying to tell you something here. It's been great fundraising for a child's garden, something that is so dear to so many people for so many years, gosh, over 50 years now. And I'm privileged to be a part of that now history and welcome you to fundraise with me at other places. I'm going to be your PC guy. So check out the information below that I'm going to post, and you'll be able to connect with me for fundraisers, weddings, bar mitzvahs, no cooking products. Man, who knows? Let's just do it. We could fundraise, have registries, party, save money, share rewards, all kinds of good stuff. Give me a buzz. I'm here for you.